Hey, get up, they're here, you need to run, go save your life. What if someone tells you this while you're loosening up and binge-watching movies? But what if a cyborg comes in front of you, not from the movie but in actuality? What if he tries to hurt you? What if this, what if that, endless list of what ifs. But we can prohibit this from emerging if we listen to what Elon Musk is trying to say and obey him. Well, do you want to know more about it? Stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is not recognized to shy off from giving opinions on almost all social topics. The 50-year-old billionaire has conveyed before that he is concerned about artificial intelligence, AI, and conspires to create a territory on Mars. Elon Musk is one of the dominant characters in the evolutions of technology and space initiatives in the present day. Like many other tech names such as Bill Gates and Steve Jobs, the SpaceX CEO has his way of deciphering what he comprehends on scientific subjects. Although both of his companies, SpaceX and Tesla, give various jobs to the citizens of the United States, Elon Musk's perspectives over the future of labor are a bit opaque and disturbing. He is assuming how artificial intelligence will take over human jobs soon in the future. In 2016, the billionaire said human beings could come to be the counterpart of house cats to new AI overlords. He has since frequently called for regulation and caution when it comes to new AI technology. According to Elon Musk, the jobs we have today will eventually become pointless in the future. The private tech owner transmitted the bizarre statement during the World Artificial Intelligence Conference that was held in Shanghai. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO did not mean to dishearten the audience, but is presumably giving a serious warning about the future of employment and AI. He played back his fears in an interview published with Recode's Kara Swisher, though, with a little less apocalyptic oratory. As AI gets probably much smarter than humans, the relative intelligence ratio is probably similar to that between a person and a cat, maybe bigger, Musk told Swisher. I do think we need to be very careful about the advancement of AI. Based on a report by CNBC, Elon Musk illustrated that the future might have a possible scenario where the only job that will reside for human employment is writing an AI software. The AI software would become developed to write its own software until there is nothing left for humans to do. As an extent of this concern, Musk now claims that one of the biggest threats to civilization is that humans are not having more babies. I can't emphasize this enough, there are not enough people, he said at a Wall Street Journal event. Interestingly, his remarks come just days after a Lancet study, Fertility, Mortality, Migration, and Population Scenarios for 195 countries and territories from 2017 to 2100, pointed out that the world's population is on its way to a plunge in a few decades for the first time in centuries. Currently, there are roughly 7.8 billion people on Earth that are said to peak in 2064. Musk doubled down on his signal while speaking at that year's annual summer meeting of the National Governors Association, a Washington, D.C.-based nonpartisan political organization. Robots will be able to do everything better than us, Musk said during his speech. I have exposure to the most cutting-edge AI, and I think people should be concerned by it. However, many people, even many machine learning researchers, say that an AI that surpasses humans by as much as we overstep cats sounds like a distant fantasy. We're still striving to solve even simple-seeming problems with machine learning. Designed to loosely impersonate the human brain, deep learning AI systems can spot tumors, drive cars, and write text, displaying spectacular outcomes in a lab setting. But therein lies the catch. When it comes to using technology in the unpredictable real world, AI sometimes falls short. That's concerning when it is touted for use in high-stakes applications, dangerously huge for social media, where content can impact elections and fuel mental health disorders and much other stuff. But some people seem to accept it because they don't speculate AI as a threat. One such individual is Mark Zuckerberg. We all know the conflict between Zuckerberg and Elon Musk regarding the use of AI. However, Facebook's morality in AI is clear on its site, where it often highlights machine learning algorithms before noting its troop of content moderators. Zuckerberg also told Congress in 2018 that AI tools would be the scalable way to spot harmful content. Those tools do a good job at citing nudity and terrorist-related content, but they still strive to stop misinformation from producing. It looks like the errors are not constrained to just a few studies. A few years ago, there was a lot of promise and a lot of hype about AI being the first pass for radiology, says Catherine Walsh, managing partner at AI market intelligence firm cognilytica. What we've started to see is the AI is not detecting these anomalies at any sort of rate that would be helpful. Yet Musk thinks artificial intelligence has a different significance. I think generally people underestimate the capability of AI. They sort of think it's a smart human, Musk said in an August talk with Alibaba CEO Jack Ma at the World AI Conference in Shanghai. But it's going to be much more than that. It will be much smarter than the smartest human, he added. It is hubris, he said in the Times interview a few weeks ago, that keeps very smart people from knowing the dangers of AI. My assessment about why AI is overlooked by very smart people is that very smart people do not think a computer can ever be as smart as they are, he said, and this is hubris and obviously false. The systems depend on two things, a functioning model and underlying data to train that model. To build good AI, programmers need to consume the vast majority of their time, perhaps around 90%, on the data, collecting it, categorizing it, and cleaning it. It is sluggish and difficult work. It is arguably also disregarded by the machine learning community today, as scientists put more value and dignity on the delicacies of AI architectures or how elaborate a model is. As many researchers overlook this theme, Musk needed to do something. A few months back, Musk announced that Tesla is looking for a hardcore AI engineer to solve problems that involve people directly. The electric vehicle company is also going to create a humanoid robot prototype dubbed the Tesla Bot, Musk announced at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence Day. According to Musk, the prototype will be finished off sometime in 2022, though the billionaire entrepreneur is known for blasting past his own publicly declared deadlines on large and flamboyant projects. But how this robot will face restriction remains unclear. However, one thing is certain, Musk insists it will be amiable. It's intended to be friendly, of course, Musk said during the Tesla Bot announcement, and navigate through a world built for humans. While we admire Musk's longer-term technology vision, Daniel Ives wrote, "A Tesla Bot is not what investors want to see." Well, this might not be what the investors want to see, but it certainly is something that Elon is trying to create to save everyone from the havoc of AI technology. It's fine for AI to occasionally mess up in low-stakes scenarios like movie suggestions or unlocking a smartphone with your face. But in areas like healthcare and social media content, it still needs more discipline and better data. Rather than try and make AI work today, businesses need to set the groundwork with data and people to make it work in the hopefully not too distant future. Well, apart from our expectations and thoughts, what do you think about AI? Will it be helpful to us or will it be a threat to humanity? Let us know in the comments below. And most importantly, if you want to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.